at ESG integration into corporate strategy. I know you'll be wondering, what is ESG? ESG means environmental, social, and governance integration into corporate strategy. It's a very important and vital topic. So let's learn. Full ESG framework. Establishing your ESG foundation, begin by creating a well-defined ESG vision and concrete, quantifiable objective aligned with your organization's strategic direction and core values. The vision serves as the compass for your sustainability journey. Strategic benefits for ESG integration includes a thoughtfully implemented ESG strategy delivers a multiple advantage. So let's quickly look at the advantages of developing and integrating ESG into corporate organization or corporate governance. Now we have strengthen customers' relationships and brand loyalty. That is one of the advantages or benefits of ESG integration. Then another is enhanced talent acquisition and retention capabilities. Then it minimized regulatory compliance risks. Another advantage or benefit of ESG integration is improved access to investment capital, then heightened organizational resilience through better stakeholder understanding. These are some of the benefits of integration of ESG into corporate governance. Well, identify key stakeholder priority, focus on material initiatives, then create an implementation blueprint. Identify key stakeholder priorities. Determine which ESG elements matter most to your stakeholder, whether reducing carbon emission, minimizing product waste, fostering workplace inclusion, or enhancing community engagement. Consider which one is better, more important to the community, or it is more important to your stakeholders. Now consider the example of a consumer product company that's committed to achieving net zero emission within 2 decades. This required internal operational changes and supplier partnerships to address their extended carbon footprint through product reformulation and supplier decarbonization progress. Another one is focus on material initiative. Avoid spreading resources across every trending ESG initiative. Instead, concrete on let me go back again. Avoid spreading resources across every trending ESG initiative. Instead, concentrate on areas most relevant to your industry. Align with your organizational purpose and capable of strengthening your competitive position with customers, with employees and investors. A global healthcare company exemplified this approach by enriching its ESG strategy to focus on issues directly connected to its mission, specifically patient access and affordability, ensuring alignment with its operating model and reporting structures. And implementation blueprints. Develop a framework of driving desired behaviors by selecting appropriate KPIs to measure impact, aligning incentives with ESG objectives, implementing technology technology for data management, and establishing a progress monitoring processes. Progress should take precedence over perfection to maintain momentum towards ESG goals. One oil and gas company successfully navigated this balance by developing a strategy that integrated financial and non-financial performance metrics into executive communication, enabling effective response to market volatility and external pressures. We want to look at the step-by-step guide for incorporating ESG principles into your business strategy. So we have 8 steps to incorporate ESG into business strategy for entrepreneurs. So let's take from number one, understand ESG principles. Then we have assess your current ESG status, set clear ESG goals, develop an ESG action plan, implement ESG practice, monitor and measure ESG performance, communicate ESG efforts, and continuous improvement and adaptation. I'll take that again. Number one is to understand ESG principles, assess your current ESG status, set clear ESG goals, develop an ESG action plan, implement ESG practices, monitor and measure ESG performance, communicate ESG efforts, continuous improvement and adaptation. Thorough understanding of ESG dimension. Environmental aspect encompasses operational emission, resource usage and product life cycle impact. Social considerations involve employment practice, diversity initiative, data protection and community involvement. Governance examines leadership structure, compensation policies, transparency practice and ethical safeguards. Step 2, evaluate current performance. Conduct a comprehensive ESG self-assessment to measure existing policies and practice against established principles. This audit identifies performance gaps, requiring attention across environmental, social and governance areas. Stakeholder engagement provides critical external perspective, gather feedback through interviews and surveys with investors, employees, customers and community members to uncover overlooked impact and improvement communities that might not be visible from within. Develop goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound to guide your ESG initiative and track progress. These objectives should address material issues identified in assessment while balancing ambition with practicality. Integrate these targets with your company's core vision, mission, and growth strategy to ensure ESG becomes fundamental rather than peripheral. This alignment connects sustainability performance with commercial goals like brand development, innovation, and revenue growth. Step 4 is create an implementation roadmap. Translate your goals into concrete initiatives with defined timelines, whether implementing renewable energy, launching diversity programs, or enhancing supply chain oversight. Assign clear ownership deadlines and necessary resources to each project. Consider long-term economics when budgeting. While ESG initiatives require initial investment, they generate ongoing benefits through risk reduction and cost saving. Calibrate your plan scope and timeline to match available financial and human resources, scheduling regular reviews to maintain adaptability across ESG dimension. Environmental projects might reduce recycling programs, water conservation, renewable energy procurement, or cleaner production methods. Social initiative could enhance diversity recruitment, expand parental leave, improve benefits, and or organize community services. Government improvement might strengthen ethical policies and board oversight. Test high impact progress through pilots before full implementation. Balance competing objectives to optimize overall ESG performance, recognizing that one area process in one area may affect others. Success depends on integrating ESG principles throughout the operation rather than treating them as separate activity. Then step 6 is track performance metrics. Monitor key indicators such as emission reduction, employee retention, and supply compliance to evaluate effectiveness. Maintain regular internal reporting to document progress, challenges, and insights. Share results externally to demonstrate accountability to stakeholders. Combining non-financial metrics with traditional economic measures provides leadership with comprehensive visibility into organizational health. This tracking reveals why initiatives deliver results which which require adjustment to meet objectives. ESG story ESG story strategic communication reinforces ESG integration within company culture and operation, highlighting the achievements, build stakeholder groups with and strengthen your social license to operate through case studies, sustainability reports, website content, media engagement, and social platforms. Incorporate ESG messaging into marketing efforts to showcase employee benefits and product impact, resonating with value-conscious consumers and enhancing brand trustworthiness. External partnership can amplify your reach and support broader sustainability goals. Step 8 is embrace continuous evaluation. Approach ESG as an ongoing journey requiring periodic assessment rather than regular feedback. Choose stakeholder surveys and discussion to adapt to emerging challenges and changing expectations. Stay vigilant regarding evolving regulation and reporting standards. Consider pursuing certification to demonstrate systematic implementation. Maintain sufficient resources to sustain the ongoing cycle of assessment, planning, and accountability needed for long-term environmental, social, and financial success. ESG strategy generates value, which includes innovation as a competitive advantage, operational excellence, market expansion, and trustworthiness, trust building, talent magnetism, collaborative ecosystem development as fast mover and